So another, same person, side of the vehicle. I'm telling you what, this guy makes it look easy. Here we go. Angry people media. Interesting. Side of the vehicle right there. Go ahead, swerve left. Good job with the head check. Hey, no. I want to give you compliments, but you're screwing it up. The other side of the vehicle right there. All right. Look how quick of a head check that is. He sees the hazard. Look at his hand. Guess what? Planning the ride. So he located. He's positioned for safety. He's off to the left a little bit of this lane. He sees the hazard, hoping that they would not be there. This is not his fault. I would be, if I was in the same position, I expect that stupid dumb driver to stay there, but he's not going to do that. But we are smart riders. And maybe I would have checked the mirror in my blind spot before this. I don't know. Probably not, right? Because I'm enjoying myself riding. You know, I'm in orange stage, still kind of prepped and ready for things. But if this person started to do this, look how quick this head check is. There it is. And look at, he's already in a good position. I know we kind of moved over a little bit. Let's go ahead. So he's already starting to swerve with the head check because he's got to do something. So if he hits a vehicle to the left, it's an angular hit instead of a T-bone. An angular hit, you're going to bounce off that person, still get some injuries to that left leg. But he's already doing, he's like, I got to get out of here. This is a dangerous spot. And you could lane filter, you can aim for the line if you really wanted to. And that's what he does. Very good. This is a smart rider. I'm calling it now. Smart rider. Good job. All right, so another, same person, side of the vehicle. I'm telling you what, this guy makes it look easy. So right here, this happens sometimes. It's not going to happen all the time. And when you see that side of the vehicle and they start to come out, and this is like, oh crap. We typically see these crashes and close calls they happen way worse. There's honking of the horns, there's rev bombings, there's fighting for positions. This person's recognizing these close calls and potential crashes and is doing something about it. This happens, I want to say sometimes, but it happens quite a bit for motorcycle riders because drivers have a terrible time seeing us because of that. Okay, that's the definition. You can pause it. Side of the vehicle. This is what we're explaining. This is what we're trying to learn. And this is what we're going to master right here is recognizing this pattern. That person comes out. He doesn't use his horn. I love it. He doesn't use his horn. He's immediately recognized he's got to do something. He's got to do something. He's in red stage. It doesn't matter. Red stage, he's going to do something. He's got to move. There's an escape path right over here. Let's get that on the board so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Escape path. He's going for that escape path. Great. Nobody's there. I'm safe. I have to do something or I'm going to hit this person. Hopefully they see me. And if they don't see me and we're going to hit them, you could always use progressive brake pressure. So we're going to get through here. It was slow enough because it's a freaking H3 or H2, whatever the freaking thing this is. Coming out of the intersection. In the intersection, we're going to start to swerve left. We're going to get ourselves out of that situation. Did an amazing job. Whew. Shadow MT507. I never heard of that one before. Anyways. Oh! That swerved, saved his leg. So here we go. We're going into an intersection. It is orange stage. This person is the side of the vehicle that's going to come out is not paying attention. Definitely not paying attention. And it's kind of hard. This is a really weird intersection because we're coming around a corner and it's like we can't anticipate it. We probably looked left, looked right, looked left again, and we start to go. It's like, oh crap, there's somebody coming around. This is kind of bull, right? And there's that rotation of the tires. So let's go ahead and use that as a pattern recognition. So side of the vehicle already, but look at the tires. You see how they're moving? And by tires, I mean rims, because it's kind of hard to see the black constantly move. But the rims, look at the rims. That's letting you know that thing is moving, okay? Sometimes it takes a little bit for you to even grasp that the vehicle is actually moving, but the rims, it's doing this. It's doing this. Look for that. Now, at this point, he's going straight. There's that swerve. And that right there is going to just be enough to save him from getting hit. And it's like, oh, it's just a nice little tippity tap. No. Your left leg is right there. He's obviously not wearing gear. Do you think he's wearing boots and motorcycle pants? No. Imagine getting your leg crushed between that Toyota and your engine. No, not good. Look how close that is. That would have been an impact if he did not swerve. Did a good job. Wear some gear. Become a better, smarter rider right there. Okay? Do that. Come on, new riders. If you want to know how to ride effectively and smart, make sure you grab the Smart Rider Basic Training ebook. I talk about how to plan your ride, what the Smart Rider principles are all about, the color code chart, what patterns to look for, how to rescue another rider. Anyways, you got to just check it out. Make sure you click the link in the description. There's a discount code. It's the cheapest it's ever going to be. Only 500 people are going to be able to get the code. So make sure you grab yours now. All right, let's get back into the video. All right, so y'all what's up? Y'all what's up? All right, using a RAM mount. You guys know what I'm talking about. Link in the description for a better phone mount. Hey, that's that common thing in a common situation. I'm sorry, common thing? Who said that? Who wrote that on the script? No, take that off. That's not what I say. Jeez, rookies. So big open lane right there. Just take a look. Big open lane. Car drivers moving over multiple lanes because that white vehicle way up front, and then you got that truck right there. He's like, screw it, I'm going to go for that open spot. Not checking the blind spot because where are we at? We're right here. The blind spot all the way to us. We can't have that. We can't have that. So that's what's happening. We're moving over. Now we're going to get boxed in. We're going to use our horn when what we should be doing, because if this is a Rebel 500 going at the speed, you're not going to have enough power to accelerate out of there. Roll off the throttle and apply progressive brake pressure. You can use 2 fingers or 4. That's fine. 2 fingers is fine because you hydraulic brakes and everything. You should be able to do it. And slow it down. Don't slam it. Slow it down so that person can go. Okay. But he did actually use a little bit of throttle. Got out of there. Good job. Excuse me. Good job with the escape path. Great job. Itchy Rider 1000. Not going fast. It's only 38. We got the Dum Mini Cooper right here. We did good. Slow down. You see how he applied the brake pressure? Maybe he did some trail braking because he knows how to do it. All right, here we go. We're going through the area. Now, I like to be in the middle. Okay, so if I can, I'm going to see if I can make it 1. Anyways, lane position 1, 2, and 3. Right now, we're in lane position 1. I like to be in lane position 2 for this specific reason, going around blind curves, because this is a blind area. You can't see anything. There's a mountain, and then you also have a bad issue if you fall off. So I like to be in lane position 2 because that gives me a good space cushion from anybody over here, and then also still gives me a space cushion from any debris over there to the right. So lane position 2, I like middle. I don't like doing outside, inside, outside, inside, inside, inside. Whatever. I like middle for every area unless there's road surface hazards in that area. Then you just go ahead and move over and do a different position for safety because you are adapting to the location of those hazards. It's planning. You're constantly planning, okay? Constantly planning. So that is what I like to do for this specific purpose. So right here, we're doing pretty good. We got a space cushion a little bit to the left. Let's see. We're going to go outside, right? And we're going to get up to here. It's like, oh, crap. So now we have to actually adjust ourselves and adapt ourselves, because we're planning still. We're going to have to do that in the middle of the turn. I want to do it before the turn. I don't want to do it in the middle of the turn. But he did a great job. I'm going to tell you that right now. This right here is a smart rider. Now, my strategy of middle is not going to work for everybody, but he did a great job with his fundamental skills and situational awareness. It looks like he's wearing full gear. He doesn't need to rescue anybody because nobody crashed, but he is absolutely teaching us in our class, which we have every Friday live on Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, and YouTube. Okay, so if you follow me anywhere, there you go. If you like today's video, make sure you click this video right here to keep watching more. But if you want to become a smart rider, click this and grab this Smart Rider Basic Training ebook. It's going to help you become a smart rider by planning your ride, rescuing other riders, knowing what patterns to look for, and so much more. Make sure you grab it. Link will be in the description also. I'll be seeing you around.